Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this JHP-527 gaming headset. Okay, so as you can see here, the gaming headset looks like this. It's very nice. Okay, the sound quality is also nice, the mic is also nice, and if you have bought this or if you are deciding to buy this, then I want you to watch this video so you will be clear about its function and how to operate it and how it looks and everything. Okay, so please watch the video till the end. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, this is our headset. Its name is JHP-527 gaming headset. As you can see, this is how the headset looks like. As you can see, it's given in the box, and in this side, as you can see, here are given some specifications about the headset, and in this side here also there is given the same specification, but it is written in Chinese. Let us unbox this headset. As you can see here, so this is our headset. As you can see, its wire is also very fat. It's like a rope, so it's very nice, it won't break easily. And as you can see, its sound adjustment is here. This is also very cool design. As you can see over here, here is also given the function of mic on and off, so you can turn on and off your mic from here only. You don't need to go in the laptop and from there you don't need to turn on from there. You can just do it from here. As you can see over here, here it is, on off, so you can turn off your mic from here. Here is given the sound adjustment. As you can see, it's given in a scroll wheel type, not in button type. Okay, so you have to scroll it to adjust the sound. And here this is RGB also. Okay, so here the lights will also glow, so that's why here are given two connectors. One is in this headset jack, as you can see over here, so this is the main jack. Okay, so from this, if you plug it, then only you will listen the sound. Okay, and then this pen drive jack, this is for the light. Okay, so as I told you, here is light also in this headset, so if you plug this, then the light will glow, and if you plug this, then you will hear the sound. Okay, but we have to plug this, so you have to hear the sound. If you don't need light, then you don't need to plug this also if you don't need light. As you can see, its wire is also very long, which is very useful, so you can also use this headset from far places. And as you can see here, this is our headset. Here is mic also, so you can adjust it up to this much. Okay, and here are also adjustment for the head. If your head is big, then you can do it like this and adjust this according to your head size. And this is made up of sponge. Okay, so it's very soft. As you can see, when you wear it in your ear, then your ear will also won't pain. As you can see, it's very soft, and this is also very soft, this blue colored part, so your head will also not pain if you wear this. As you can see here, very soft. And then as you can see here, these parts, this like this glass part, so there, that place the lights will glow. Okay, as you can see over here, this part here, and this border line, this all place the light will glow. Okay, so let me show you by glowing the light. So I will just connect the LED lights to my mobile to show you for now. As you can see, the wire, so now I am going to connect here. As you saw, the LED lights glow. You may not be seeing it clearly from camera, but here the LED lights very powerful and it's very nice. It's making the headset look very nice. Okay, so as you can see here, I am plugging, unplugging. So the LED lights are glowing, as you can see here. So this much was the unboxing of this headset. There was not many things, and this was very easy to use. As you can see here, just we have to connect these two wires, and then you can enjoy your game. You can also use this for other purposes. And the feature I like the most about this headset is this mic on and off. Okay, because we don't have to go to the computer screen from our mouth, and we don't have to turn on and off the mic every time. You can just control it from here. So this feature was the best about this headphone. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This gaming headset are very cool. As you saw, it had light also, and its price is 2000 IC. So if you want to buy this, then I have given the link in the description. Please go and check it out, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.